Good morning, y'all. It's Friday, and we're getting all ready to go. It's Friday. Anything, Willie?
It's Friday.
It's Friday. It's Friday. Anyways, getting all ready to go to work here. I was like, oh, this wire here, I better fix that before I go. And then, so I raised it up, put my safety first. Yeah, that guy right there. Don't get smashed. This right here, as you can see, this is for the pins. Hydraulic quick disconnect. And as you can see, it got bent. It was supposed to be straight like that. And the last job we were on, it got bent down. I was like, I wonder how. Snap. So this happened on our 110, and we're gonna go get some soft line instead of putting back with hard line. So get this taken off, put the new one back on. Yeah. Stop. You took that paper towel off the end of that. I don't need it on the end. Oh, because they're gonna have to look at the ends.
Want to cut this one out, or?
Yeah, it's gotta come out. It's like a puzzle. There we go. Here we go. Got my lines made. Just going back with this. Get on down the road. Come on. Oh, there we go. Usually takes 2 or 3 tries, the old girl. This is my getting around truck for driving back and forth to the shop from my house and part and, you know, all that kind of good stuff. Yeah. Anyways. Well, we're having a time getting this thing on. We're getting it though. Got a broken bolt thing going on over here. Get these hoses up around this thing out of the way. We're getting there though. We're getting there. Had to take all this stuff loose. All this stuff to get this back up underneath there. Hey, you want some vice grips?
That'd be great. Thank you.
But I had to take this cover off for this thing right here. That cover. And yeah, we're getting there. Well, Willie's welding in the bolt, or the new nut for the bolt. Got those hoses run. Kind of hodgepodge in there. Josh is over here getting it all back together. It's not going in. It's not what I want to hear.
Down.
Oh, great. Go take a look over here. Well, we got her wrapped up. All snug as a bug in there. Kind of comes up right there. Hard to see it, but it's all connected in here. It's got a little bit more of a loop than it had, but that's all right. Got it all put back together. See, it kind of loops down right there. See that? So it allows you to be able to tilt forward and tilt back. And what had happened, a big old log came up this way out to the top when I had it curled down and jerked those hoses down, and that's what caused it to bend. It's pretty, you can kind of see them right there. But it happened on our 110 as well when we had it. We did the exact same thing. I think I actually got steel lines, put them on, and then we ripped them again. I'm like, forget this. But ready to go to work now. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good one. Hope y'all have a good weekend. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up. All that good stuff.